So let's talk about the most recent study and the conclusions I've come to about the possibility that cranberry juice will help prevent those recurrent urinary tract infections. So this study in 2023 included 8,000 participants and 50 other studies kind of put together to see if you could come to a generalized conclusion. So the comparison that I think was the most interesting was placebo versus cranberry supplement. So if somebody is taking a cranberry supplement or a cranberry juice, is that any better than taking a placebo to prevent those recurrent urinary tract infections? In certain populations, the answer was yes. So women who had recurrent urinary tract infections who were taking cranberry supplement or cranberry juice had a 26% reduction in the amount of recurrent infections. They also looked at the comparison between taking the cranberry supplement versus an antibiotic, and they weren't able to make any conclusions on that. Now, I'm not your doctor. This is just for information. This is not medical advice.